way more than our 1 million reasons to have a smile. See, back then, life was nothing but lies.
I ever forget. We were home and we heard men knocking on the door, and my father went to open. And then when he reached there, 8 men rushed in and they started cutting him into pieces.
Everything was melted. If it wasn't evaporated, of course. Imagine that you are struggling, running all your life just to have a place in this life. And suddenly, and by completely simple action,
Humanity is the biggest treat we can give to our dear ones. Friends, parents, and siblings.
And is the only cure to all diseases.
Amen. Problems.
You run the day, or the day runs you. You can't surround yourself with negative people and expect to have a positive life.